Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's one of our classic little treat boxes with just simple decoration on it. And this is a super quick project, and it's ideal because, you know, it's that time of year where we're running out of time and we've got lots of stuff we want to do, but maybe it could be that you're prepping for an event that isn't Christmas or holiday related and you just want a nice little treat box for somebody. So this is one of our classic treat boxes. So they're pre-made, little bit of punching, bit of ribbon, and it's a very pretty, very pretty project. Okay, so our treat boxes come like this. So you have the base, which folds sides in. No, it's not. It's the base folds in first, then the sides. And oops, oh, I've managed to rip that. Oh well, it's a good thing it's the bottom. And then that tucks inside so that you get a flat base, you don't get to see the sides. And then the lid is the same. So you fold in that bit first, the full part, then the sides, and then this bit, and that just sits over the top. Now I'm going to snip this ribbon off because I don't want it. Let's get the world's biggest pair of scissors to do that. There we go. And on this one I used our gold ribbon, which is very pretty, but I'm going to use this one, which is cherry cobbler and gold, and it's just called metallic ribbon. What's the gold one called? The gold one is just called, it's called shimmer ribbon, so it's the same but different. It's the same but different. Okay. So I'm going to crisscross over. And yeah, you could whiz up a whole load of these in no time. They make great bridal favours. Perhaps you're beginning to get ready for a wedding that's coming up, or maybe you've got I don't know, a baby shower or something like that, or a hen party, or even, you know, elegant ladies party. Just something where you need little boxes, or perhaps you just want to make nice little treats for somebody. These would look very nice if you, I don't know, perhaps laid your dining table for something and you've got all your crockery and cutlery and glasses out, and this on a plate with napkins and things. Very lovely. So trim those off. That's essentially the box done, but I like to do punching, so I've got my flowers and leaves punch, and this is the symmetrical leaves, I think it is. So I went with just nice basic white and evening evergreen, so I'm going to change it up slightly, and I'm undecided what flowers to do yet, so I'm going to use some of this Saar metallic foil speciality. So I'm going to punch a couple of those, and I don't know if that's going to look right. I've got cherry cobbler as well. Let's go over here. And I've also got white somewhere. Here we go. Here's my white. So I don't know which one I'm going to go with yet. So let's test them out. Oh, I'm definitely going to use shaded spruce for my leaves though, and I want 3 of those. So let's start doing comparisons. This was a bit of a lane swerve using this, just really because it was to the side of me. Yeah, that's no good. Don't like that one. Let's have a look at this. Just get it 3D'd a little bit. That could work. Let's have a bash with these. I'm going to punch a 3rd one in the smaller flower and get my little spongy mat, and yeah, I'd say the back of a paper pierce, but I don't have any longer, so I need like a ball tipped pen or something. Is that going to work? That might work. Ooh, that did work. There we go. Yeah, those will work. Okay, we're rejecting the white. See, I like to do this stuff. It's almost as though it's live. Can't do live stuff really at the moment. Ooh, I'm going to put pearls in this one. Yeah, I can't do lives. Not at 7 o'clock in the morning. That's school run time. But I like to sort of not plan completely, totally and utterly all the time. It's nice to just let the creativity unfold, I guess. Okay, mini glue dots. So I'm going to take the biggest one and put this at the top. And then my smaller ones can sort of trail down a little bit. And then my 3 leaves on here. Just tuck them in underneath, just where they peep out. And that's quite pretty. And that's my husband shouting up the stairs because he's got no idea I'm filming. Pop that one on there. And those, I think, are really rather lovely. I'm not sure which I prefer. I think this one's probably a little bit more Christmassy. You could pretend that they're like mini poinsettias and those are Christmas roses or something. But I just think they're lovely. So, like I say, quick craft. Oh, I've just looked at the time, 6 minutes, and I chatted. And I changed my mind too. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.